Yeah, hello. Now we're going to have a look at the Finale notation software program. So I start it, and it starts with an assistant, and we can make a new ensemble. We go to keyboards, and there's piano. Add it here, and go on. Here you write the title, composer, composer, under title, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Arranger none. Texture none. Copyright, put your domain there and click on go on. Here you should select the rhythm and the tonality, and can define the tempo. Or write a text instead of a tempo, like moderato also. Then click ready, finish. It's loading, and in a few seconds, yeah, it shows what you've written here. It's partitioned because it's piano, but as a pianist we don't think in partition. I can put this title away. Click on the title tool, mark the text, and take it away. Now I have here a keyboard and the computer, and it's connected with a MIDI cable. So this keyboard doesn't have direct USB to USB, but I need a MIDI cable to USB. It's an old-fashioned keyboard. Whatever you use, you will find the right cable. Now I want to put in the music. First of all, I take the fast entry tool. I have marked here that I use a MIDI keyboard for the entry of data. And now with the numbers on the computer, I can put breaks like an eighth note. And now I play a key and press another number, a 3 for a 16th. That was nearly as fast as played, and the new notes are there. Another eighth note. Now when I click somewhere else, the music is auto-corrected. Now I put the left hand. You see, knowing the numbers, you give the values. When you don't play a key, it's a break. It's entering a break. Well, there was not a 16th, but an 8th. I can override it. I've put in too many notes somehow. I will see what happened here. Oh yeah, this one is too much. Now I must make a quarter of it. And then, oh, there was something else left over. Now I take the delete key and delete everything which is above this. So this a quarter. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So it's just a quarter. I put in a wrong sign. If you take certain keyboard orders, then you get results. So you can combine mouse clicks and keyboard results. So that's another eighth note and quarter. Eighth note, quarter. So there we are. Now I mark everything. This is the marking tool. It makes Control and A for mark all. And now I want to put the bars layout. No, a Balkan. What is Balkan? A rod. I want that these signs are written together with the quarters. Like this is the picture which we know. That was easy, wasn't it? Then I put some arcs if I want, but this, of course, in Bach it's no original. When I go to the node where it leads to, then it automatically puts the optimal setting, so that's comfortable. When I click the articulation tool, then I get the different possible articulations, signs, a whole list, but this one is marked with an S, so that means if I then click down press down the S, and then I can mark just an area, a section, and all the nodes will get the thing. Here we have to renew the layout. We can do it with the extra layout anion of Control and U, so that it looks nice here. And we can put loudnesses, like here. I want this, double click and then can put piano, can confirm with enter, then I can move this around with the keys, and it shows that it's related always to a different node. Now it's related to the pause, that's okay. And then if you want to make a song with a singer, then you add another system. When you make the assistant at the start, you put another voice like soprano, tenor, or whatever, and you can put the text under this. So you click here, and when you make the space bar, then it jumps, the mark jumps to the next node. We do all want sugar, shoe, then hyphen girl. We do all want sugar, and the text puts the notes aside so that it can be read. That's so easy. And you even have the text tool. Text tool, you can mark everything here, and then you can format this signature, the fonts. I can take Calibri. Yeah, so everything is now Calibri. You see it changed here, so it can be read more clearly. Although people are used to other writings, you can make as you like. So that's a good impression about the notation program. It's good if you write down your own cadenza, so you can even publish it, or you need an accompaniment for a singer in a different tonality. You entered it with a simple tonality. Now I make transposition extra. Oh, I have to select everything. Now I just go on the right click, or here I say press transposition. Transponin, or here the first one. You say I want to transpose down chromatically a große Sekunde, and I can keep the original notes, or I can not keep them. So I'll make OK. You see now it's in B flat major. There are the little signs, but I can now change the tonality here. There's the Tonartwerkzeug. That's the tonality tool. I click here. I say this from the first bar to the next change, or to the end of the piece, and that's it. Now we have the signs. Oh, it transposed. I didn't want to transpose. So let's see. The note transpose. So I say keep enharmonic original tonality. It has been transposed. I want to have B major. And don't transpose the notes. You see now the signs are in the front and no more here. So although we did the mistake to transpose it, now we transpose it back to C major and we transpose the notes upward. And now we have the original piece again. So you can do whatever you want with this notation software and print it out. When you have a partition with 25 instruments, a big system, and you can print out the parts for the single instruments and everything what you need. Bye bye.